I've been using the Robinhood mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Robinhood app. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Robinhood mobile app. First, let's look at what the Robinhood app offers. Robinhood promotes itself as a user-friendly platform with commission-free trading on stocks, options, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. One of its standout features is the streamlined interface, which makes it easy for beginners to navigate and execute trades. Additionally, Robinhood offers fractional shares, allowing users to invest in high-priced stocks with as little as $1, making investing more accessible to a broader audience. However, it's important to note that Robinhood's research and data offerings are limited compared to other brokers. The platform provides minimal third-party research and lacks advanced analytical tools, which might be a drawback for more experienced investors seeking in-depth information. Another point to consider is that Robinhood does not offer mutual funds or individual bonds, limiting the diversity of investment options available to users. In terms of security, Robinhood is a member of the FINRA and the SIPC, which protects securities customers of its members up to $500,000. Overall, the Robinhood mobile app is a solid option for those seeking a simple, low-cost entry into investing, especially for beginners. However, if you're an experienced investor looking for comprehensive research tools and a wider range of investment options, you might find Robinhood's offerings less robust. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.